Alright, so this is my semester project for my for hardware. I'll be putting together this 10-inch tablet. Now I've already opened up the box to make sure everything was in here. So some of the tape has already been taken off, or just been loosened. First of all, got the main tablet here. Inside the rest of the box, got the instructions. Got the small components, screws, cameras, decorations, and such. Got the USB cable, micro USB male to USB Type A female, and a AC adapter. Not be needing these until later on, so I'm just going to set them off to the side. I've also got the 3M double-sided tape for putting the battery on and for attaching the battery inside, and whatever else I might need it for. Alright, so before I continue, I'm going to put some nitrile gloves on. So I don't get my oily hands all over the inner components. Off down here, I have my soldering iron heating up for when I'll need it for the two things I need to solder. Which the soldering is going to be the most difficult part for me, as I've never soldered in my life. Watched some YouTube videos on it, but this will be the first time I'm really soldering something. Hopefully I don't fit. All right. So I've already checked, made sure I had all the small components I need. It did not give me a count for how many screws I'm supposed to have in there, so hopefully I have enough. I've got my toolkit over here. Has a pair of tweezers, screw bit set, small screwdriver set, wire cutters, needle nose pliers. So first of all, I'm looking at the tablet. This is the back panel, which I will detach and tape it. Tape off to the side in case I need it later on. Inside, we've got the battery, negative wire, positive wire. We have the motherboard, or the main system board. On it is attached the board for the buttons, as well as the front and back cameras. And the Wi-Fi antenna has been pre-soldered onto it. And we have a micro SD card slot, or as is also known as TF card slot. Over here we have all of our ports that we'll need. We also have the buttons, or some of the buttons. One button, sorry, and the AC adapter port. These are going to be the speakers. Here we have the front panel, which is going to include the touch screen, the digitizer, which is this front part here, and the back side is going to have the silver section is going to be the LCD screen. Going to go ahead and take the tape off here for now. Now I just saw these lines on the screen. I'm not sure if that is on the plastic covering the adhesive or not. We'll be finding out in a little bit. Alright. Stick that back on there. Slide the ribbon cable for the digitizer through this little slot here. Alright. And set that off to the side for now. First thing, I'm going to get the camera border and the lens glass cover installed. Start off with, and you take off the plastic covering for that. Throw it off to the side. And we'll pull out the ring and the glass lens cover. So here's where I'm going to need the tweezers. So first of all, I will snap the decorative ring into place. Like so. Now, I will carefully remove the adhesive from the back of the glass lens cover. And put it into place using the tweezers. Just like so. Alright, I've got the back panel prepared. I'll not be needing this again until I get ready to work with the speakers. So I'll set that off to the side. Next, I will be installing the button.